Collagen is a crucial protein that plays a significant role in maintaining the health and vitality of your skin, hair, and nails. It provides structural support, giving skin its elasticity and strength, while also supporting the growth and repair of hair and nails. Enter collagen supplements, right? Not so fast. These supplements often don't work as effectively as one might hope. This is because collagen molecules are too large to be absorbed directly through the digestive tract. Instead, they need to be broken down into smaller peptides before they can be utilized by the body. This process can be inefficient, and the body may not prioritize using these peptides for collagen production, instead diverting them to other functions. A better way to boost your collagen levels is by eating certain foods. The number one source of collagen is bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, which releases collagen into the broth. When consumed, this collagen is already in a more bioavailable form, making it easier for the body to absorb and use. Bone broth offers numerous benefits beyond just collagen. It is rich in essential amino acids, minerals, and other nutrients that support overall health. These nutrients help to strengthen your skin, making it more resilient and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. For hair and nails, the increased collagen can improve growth and strength, reducing breakage and promoting a healthier appearance. In addition to supporting skin, hair, and nails, bone broth also aids in gut health. The gelatin in bone broth helps to soothe and repair the gut lining, which can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Adding bone broth into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to boost your collagen levels naturally. Sip it solo or add it to your favorite recipes. Bone broth provides a powerful and holistic approach to maintaining your body's collagen supply and promoting overall health.